Dear students, you wanted to know how to make sentences in different tenses. So, in this video, I am going to speak as many as sentences which will help you in how to recognize and identify different tenses, beginning with present indefinite tense. I make 10 or 15 sentences from present indefinite tense. Let's begin. I go to school. We go to school. You go to school. They go to school. He goes to school. She goes to school. Mohan goes to school. Radha goes to school. I don't go to school. We don't go to school. They don't go to school. She doesn't go to school. He doesn't go to school. Mohan doesn't go to school. Now let's make these are the simple and negative. Now let's make interrogative sentence. Does he go to school? Or you may say, do I go to school? Do we go to school? Do you go to school? Do they go to school? Does he go to school? Does she go to school? Does Mohan go to school? Does Radha go to school? So these are the sentences. Now you can make negative and interrogative also. Why don't I go to school? Why don't we go to school? Why you don't go to school? Why they don't go to school? Why he doesn't go to school? Why doesn't she go to school? Why doesn't Mohan go to school? So these are the sentences of present indefinite tense. The same sentences can be made in the in the past indefinite tense. Now let's see. I went to school. We went to school. You went to school. They went to school. He went to school. She went to school. Radha went to school. Mohan went to school. Now I'll make negative. I did not go to school. We did not go to school. You did not go to school. They did not go to school. He did not go to school. She did not go to school. Mohan did not go to school. Radha did not go to school. Sita did not go to school. Now I will make interrogative. Did I go to school yesterday? Did we go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? Did she go to school yesterday? Did he go to school yesterday? Did Arvind go to school yesterday? Did Mohan go to school yesterday? Did Sita go to school yesterday? I can make negative interrogative at the same time. You can say, why didn't I go to school yesterday? Why didn't we go to school yesterday? Why didn't you go to school yesterday? Why didn't they go to school yesterday? Why didn't he go to school yesterday? Why didn't she go to school yesterday? Why didn't Mohan go to school yesterday? Why didn't Sita go to school yesterday? In the same way, we can make sentences, a few sentences in the future simple tense also. I shall go to school tomorrow. We shall go to school tomorrow. You will go to school tomorrow. They will go to school tomorrow. Mohan will go to school tomorrow. He will go to school tomorrow. Radha will go to school tomorrow. She will go to school tomorrow. In this way, we can make the simple sentence of this future simple tense that we can also form negative. You know, I will not go to school tomorrow. We will not go to school tomorrow. They will not go to school tomorrow. She will not go to school tomorrow. He will not go to school tomorrow. Mohan will not go to school tomorrow. Radha will not go to school tomorrow. So we have formed sentences with the simple tenses. The present simple, the past simple, and the future simple. Now in next video, I will be teaching you the present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. That's all. Thank you.